Welcome to this video tutorial on using PowerPoint. This is part one of two installments that cover how to start creating your presentation. If you'd like to review what PowerPoint is or what its windows and tools look like, view the previous videos in this series, PowerPoint Overview and PowerPoint Basics, parts 1 and 2. To open PowerPoint, first click on the Start icon in the bottom left corner of the display. Then click All Programs. You will see a list of many programs. Find the Microsoft Office folder, you may have to scroll down a little, and click on it to see its contents. Click on PowerPoint, the orange icon with the letter P, and the program will open. You will notice that PowerPoint starts off in the Home tab with a blank title slide. This is a good place to start. You do have an idea for the title of your presentation, right? Go ahead and click in the title placeholder and type the title of your presentation. It's okay if you are still revising your title. Try a few options to see how your different ideas look in text. It is also okay to revise the title of your presentation after you have created a slide or two, but try to settle on a title before creating more and more slides, because a good title can really help guide your presentation as you create it. Would you like your title slide to also have an image, like a picture? That's a good idea, actually, and PowerPoint makes this easy for you. To create this kind of a title slide, click near the tiny arrow on the New Slide button, and you will see many slide options. Then click on Title and Content. Notice how much PowerPoint helps guide you, telling you to click in this top text box to add your title. You can also add a subtitle if you like. When you have a picture or other graphic that you want to use, click on the corresponding icon here and the program will guide you through how to insert it. In order to use this feature, you first need to have your graphic available and accessible on your computer. The exception would be these top three icons: Table, Chart, or Smart Art Graphic, which can be generated through PowerPoint. To insert a picture, click on the photo icon here and the Insert Picture window will open. Using this window, find the file you want to insert and double-click on it. You will then see it inserted into that part of the slide. You can easily resize it if you need to. Grab the small circle at one of the corners by clicking and holding down the button. Moving in will make it smaller, and out will make it larger. If you want to move it, click on the image and hold down the button. Create your content slides in a similar fashion. Back on the Home tab, click where it says New Slide, and choose the layout that you would like for your first content slide. If you plan to use the same image or some of the same text for other slides, there is a handy tool for this. First, click on the slide you'd like to duplicate in the sidebar. Then, in the New Slide drop-down menu, find Duplicate Selected Slides, and you will see the copy has been added to your slides. The slide we just copied is a title slide, but we can easily change it into another layout, like a content slide. To do this, make sure your duplicate slide is selected by clicking on it in the sidebar. Then click Layout and note the different options. If you aren't sure which ones to use, try the Comparison or the Content with Caption layouts as a place to start. This concludes part one of how to start creating your presentation. View part two to learn how to add links to web pages, change the design, and save your work.